how to open TikTok without sound. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can open up your TikTok without sound. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner and then go to the three lines in the top right and head over to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and under content and display go to playback. So now you can see open TikTok on mute. Toggle it on. Now videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok and you have to tap to unmute the videos or use the device's volume controls. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.